So for our tea, we have fresh ginger, we have fresh turmeric root, and we have lemon slices in this pot. If you can't find turmeric fresh like this, you can use powdered. So for every root, maybe half a teaspoon of powdered turmeric, okay? You don't need to peel the turmeric or the ginger if you don't want. When you're working with turmeric, it stains. It'll stain your clothes, it won't come out. So be careful. We are going to add water to this, and then we're gonna bring it to a simmer. So I'm adding a total of 4 cups. We're gonna add a pinch of black pepper. Your body needs the black pepper in order to absorb the curcumin or the turmeric. We're gonna let this simmer for 5 minutes until it's all nicely steeped, and we can enjoy our tea. Our tea is ready. It smells beautiful. I'm gonna take it off the heat and strain it, and then we can enjoy it. I did not sweeten it. You can if you want, you know, honey, stevia, whatever you want. I like it like this. It's got that little taste from the ginger and a little tartness from the lemon. You can taste that turmeric in there. This is good, and it's good for you. You know, all the ginger and turmeric and lemon, a big kick for your immune system. Enjoy. By the way, you can keep whatever you have left over in the refrigerator for up to 3 days and enjoy your tea.